That's when Pops was as old as your mother.
33 years old. 1986. There's Johnny, watch, I say.
Don't swing your foot out.
I was worried.
26 years ago.
Yeah.
You weren't even in your mother's life.
Yeah. No, Jerry was on her case.
I know, yeah, she was like one of the boys.
In front of whenever she's in front of everybody, she speaks up. See?
She remembered that pretty well.
You didn't have a choice.
Not yelling.
I wasn't yelling at her.
Don't be going fast.
No.
He was telling me how to drive.
I wasn't yelling at her. I was showing
It's
something.
loud.
Oh, now she's driving Johnny. Who else swinging? Me. Nobody left but Chris.
Keep
Never jumped
their
out.
eyes on the road.
That's probably where I crashed.
No, she don't.
No, I did crash right over there. That was the first time I ever rode.
Yeah, but she didn't know where the brakes was. She fell over. That's all she did. She didn't know how to stop because I didn't tell her where the brakes was. I told her how to get going. I forgot to tell her how to stop.
He only told me the brakes were.
I never told her how to stop.
Imagine telling all of them.
I think
They
he
must
does.
hate us.
Every day they go by. Every day we go by. Dirt bikes. Dogs. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Wow.
And then the flea market stuff really that was like mine. Here we go. Little rock there.
We did this in the summer, but what did you do in the winter?
None of us had helmets on. I would never let my kids
Oh,
ride
we
me.
She's the
Never-
first
they
day
weren't
Maria
out then.
ever rode a motorcycle on her own.
Not
No
those
cherry
ones.
speed things.
That was the first day.
Oh, that's Chris
Here
Davis.
comes down the home stretch.
Chris.
See how they hung together? That's all they had, was each other.
Yeah, everybody had fun. We
That
all
was the
rode.
best thing about it.
Who are they?
She can try to stop.
All our kids. Chris, Jeremy, John. Yeah.
Wow.
They didn't have a lot of friends outside the house. It was
No,
each other.
Look at his
Best
face.
friends. And the kids. They were best friends. Wait to see your mother's first day of school. It's coming up.
yeah, coming up there.
Well done.
How cute your mother was.
This was just one day.
She was such a
One
cute
average
little
day. Everybody
Good girl. With them doing lesson.
Isaac, everybody's busy doing nothing.
Now when the school thing comes on, I want you to be very, very quiet.
Right, how do you
everyone.
feel after riding a
So I can
motorcycle?
hear what they say.
Your thumb falls off? No, really, how do you feel? Is it fun? Do you like riding motorcycles?
Feels like it.
Oh, welcome to the salon, family. Nothing. You'll hear it later. Go!
Animal. Not on the seat.
I'm getting there. My thumb falls
Yeah,
off.
your thumb fell off. Look, you're looking at it.